Hey folks, Egan here. We're gonna make a delicious dinner featuring some farm to freezer veggies. We're gonna start with our beef and broccoli stir fry, a delicious recipe that you can serve any time of year. We're gonna use this beautiful Michigan farm to freezer organic broccoli that is packed at the peak of freshness, maximizing the nutrition in our broccoli from Michigan farms. The first thing we'll wanna do is we'll wanna get our rice going. We've got 2 cups of brown rice and 4 cups of stock in here. So let's get that heating up. So we'll bring it up to a boil and then just reduce it to a simmer for about 45 minutes. And what we have here is we have some sesame oil. We have some soy sauce, about a 1/4 cup of soy sauce, a couple tablespoons of sesame oil. And if you like yours a little bit more salty, feel free to add a little bit more of the soy sauce. Some cornstarch, about a 1.5 tablespoons. A couple tablespoons of brown sugar, and then 1/2 cup of water. What we're gonna do is we're gonna whisk this together just until it's combined. So what we wanna do is we are gonna turn this on full heat, and we're gonna take some avocado oil, peanut oil, canola oil, something that's got a high heat, and we're gonna just drizzle probably a teaspoon, tablespoon in there. And while this is heating up, we're gonna move on to our beef. And so we'll take our piece, and you can just take your knife, slice it nice and thin. And you can see that it is getting nice and hot. So we're gonna turn our heat down to about medium. And we'll start adding in gradually our little pieces so that we get a nice sear. Next, we're gonna add in our broccoli to the wok. And we'll just add this in here. And listen to that sizzle. In addition to finding all of these wonderful frozen fruits and veggies at your local grocery store, you can find them all at MichiganFarmToFreezer.com. In addition to being able to order the produce that we're featuring today, you'll find all of the recipes there. So one-stop shop. Print the recipes, order the produce, and look for an exciting week of delicious meals to come for you and whomever you're going to share them with. Look at, we're getting some beautiful caramelized color here. All right, so our broccoli is cooked through. It's got a little bit of crunch left to it, enough that we're gonna add our sauce, add our beef, and allow it to come together for a few minutes on the stove. So because I love the sauce just nestled into all those little nooks and crannies in the broccoli, I like to let it sit with the broccoli and saute for a few minutes. You can smell all of the yummy soy sauce and the sesame coming together. We also don't want to forget our ginger and our garlic. So it ends up being, I don't know, probably about a teaspoon of ginger. If you love ginger, keep going. Ooh, wish you guys could smell. I think we're ready to add the beef back. All right. Our beef broccoli is finished with our beautiful organic Michigan farm to freezer broccoli and our local grass-fed beef. Let's plate. We've got this yummy brown rice. We'll do a nice little scoop underneath. I like to serve it in a bowl to make sure I am capturing all the sauce. All right, there we have it, folks. Delicious beef broccoli stir fry with Michigan farm to freezer organic broccoli and our local grass-fed beef. Enjoy.